CAT 2024, LRDI slot 3, puzzle number 5, the last puzzle of slot 3. Again, a doable one. In slot 3, only one puzzle that was a bit complicated. That was the fourth one, which was having the numbers into it, the country specific puzzle. Now, this puzzle is again doable. Let's start doing it. It says the figure below shows a network with three parallel roads. So, this is the figure has been given to us. And they say there's three parallel roads presented by horizontal lines RA, RB, RC, and another three parallel roads represented by vertical lines V1, V2, V3. The figure also shows a distance in kilometer between two adjacent intersections. Six ATMs are placed at six of nine road intersections. That means three of these intersections are empty. What exactly they mean? They're talking about these V1, V2, V3. These are the parallel roads, vertical roads, and RA1, RB, RC. So they're talking about these roads. And the intersection points, these are the intersection points that they have. There are nine intersection points in total. And out of these nine, only six intersection points have ATMs. These are the intersections point we have. Now the next puzzle it says each ATM has a distinct integer cash requirement in rupees lakh, and the number at the end of each line in the figure indicates the total cash requirement of all ATMs placed on the corresponding road. For example, the total cash requirement of the ATM placed on road RA is 22 lakhs. That means this 22 lakhs is total of this ATM, and this ATM, or number of ATMs that may be lying here, maybe three, maybe two, maybe one, or maybe none. None is not possible, of course, because the total has to be 22. So there may be one, maybe two. Let's see that. The same way, 20 lakh should be the total of the ATMs which are placed at these three intersections. 20 should be the total of the ATMs of at these three intersection points. Vertically also, 15 lakhs for these three intersections, 21 lakhs for these three intersections, and 26 lakhs for these three intersections. Then some more information is also given to us. The ATMs with the minimum and maximum cash requirement of 7 and 15 lakhs are placed on the same road. So there are six ATMs, the minimum is 7 and the maximum is 15. There's nothing more than 15, there's nothing less than 7. And they are placed on the same road. That means 7 plus 15, 22. So either that is on V3 or that is on RA, because only these two roads are having total of 22. Rest all the roads are having less than that. The road distance between ATM, the second highest cash requirement, and the ATM located at the intersection of RC and V3. The RC road and V3 road, the intersection point is this. The road distance between the ATM with the second highest cash requirement and the ATM located at the intersection of RC and V3 is 12 kilometers. The road distance is 12. So 5 and 7, 12, because the distance which is given to us 7, this is also 7, this is also 7. Now this is 4, and this is also 4, and this is also 4. The same way, if this is 3, they all are 3 because they are parallel roads. If this is 5, then these roads are also 5. Now when they say that road distance is 12, so it comes to be 5 and 7, 12, or 7 and 5, 12. This is the only point which we are getting. That means, so this point gonna have the second highest number. Now what is the second highest number? That we don't know. And what is the amount at this number? That is also we are not aware. So let's try to find it out. Now after this we have the questions. So with this information, as we can see, the total for this road has to be 22, for this road has to be 20, for this road has to be 20. That means to make 20 and the numbers has to be between 7 and 15, either I may have 8 and 12, and also I can have 9 and 11. There's no other combination which I can get which can make a total of 20. That means these points have two ATMs, which is 9 and 11. These points should also have two ATMs, which should be 8 and 12. and this should be having 5, 15, and 7. But how it is, let's see that. Now 7 and 15 has to be on the same road, and this is 26, this is 22 in total. So if I have to make 26, if I have to keep the ATMs at all these three places, I need to add 15 plus 7, 22 plus 4. But we can't go below 7. That means these ATMs has to be I'm sorry, either here or here or here. So we are not sure about it. Then the second point which we had, now this is the second highest. The second highest, that means it is 12 lakhs. That means this number is 12 lakhs. The ATM which is placed here, the value of that is 12 lakhs. Now the total has to be 21 here. That means we have to add 9 lakhs here. Here we can't add. Reason being because we know 7 and 15 has to come here. On the which of these points we don't know. That means this is 9. As soon as this becomes 9 lakhs, that means there's nothing at this ATM. This ATM will remain empty. This intersection, I mean, sorry. Now, if this is 20 and we are left with 11, that means 11 has to come in this line. And if I put 11 here, for example, then 11 plus 4, 15 we need to make, but we don't have 4 in the option because we have the number 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 15. That means this will not be 11. This should be 11. Now, if it is becoming 26 and this is becoming 15, now there are two cases which we can see. Now, there are two cases. The first case is we can have 8 here, 11, 8, 19, and 7, 26. And this can be 15. Sorry. Or the second case is we can have 7 here, we can have 15 here, we can have nothing here, and we can have 8 here at this point. Now these points gonna be same 9, 11, and 12. They are absolutely okay. We are not worrying about these two, three because these have been found. So if I check now with the black ones first, 15 and 7, 22, 12 and 8, 20, 9, 11, 20, here 15, 12 and 9, 21, 7, 8, 11, that is 26. And if I check with the blue ones now, 7 and 15, 22, 8 and 12, 20, 9 and 11, 20. Vertical 7 and 8, 15, 12 and 9, 21, 15 and 11, 26. So both the cases are okay. So let's start solving the code puzzle. Which of the following statement is correct? There is no ATM placed at RC V2 intersection. RC V2 intersection, no, we have 9 there. So the ATM placed at RC V2 intersection has a cash requirement of 9 lakhs. That is absolutely right. The second question, how many ATMs have cash requirement to be 10 lakh or more? That we know already. We just find it out that the numbers were 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 15. If somebody's thinking why we can't, why we did not take 10 and 10, the only reason because they have mentioned here already distinct integers. So how many are more than 10 lakhs or more? That is 1, 2, and 3. So these three, answer is 3. The next question, which of the following two statements is or are definitely true? RA, RB, and RC have two ATMs. Let's check with the cases which we made. In both the cases, RA could have 2 blue, 2 black. Here also 2 blue, 2 black, 2 blue, 2 black. So that is right. So first is right. Statement B, each of V1, V2, V3, that means vertical lines also has two ATMs. Let's check that. In the blue case, yes. But in the black, no. There's only one here, two in the V2 and three in the V3. That is not definitely right. So we can't be sure that that statement B is absolutely right. So the only answer going to be only statement A. The next question which we have, what best can be said about the road distance between the ATMs having the second highest and the second lowest? Second highest and the second lowest. The second highest is 12 and second lowest is 8. So if there are two cases with 8, so either the distance is this, that is 7, or the distance is this, that is 4 kilometers. So answer will be either 4 or 7 kilometer. Number 22, the last question of the puzzle. What is the number of ATMs whose location and cash requirement can both be uniquely determined? There were three that we have seen already. In the first question itself, we solved it. There are only three ATMs for which we are damn sure. The one is this one, second is this, and the third one is this. That is on RC we have two ATMs which are damn sure, and RB we have one ATM which we damn sure that what exactly the point and what exactly the amount. This summarizes the complete question, and thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys have understood it. And do subscribe us, like us, comment us, and share it with your friends so maximum people can take the benefit. Thank you so much.